You may consider membrane switches a small and simple thing, or even dispensable ornaments for equipment. In fact, if you don't maintain them well in daily life, membrane switches can be easily damaged, making some functions of the entire equipment unavailable. So how do we maintain membrane switches? When the equipment is running, don't press the button or key too hard. Otherwise, the shrapnel or circuits may be easily damaged. It's necessary to keep hands clean and dry to prevent corrosion of the membrane switch. Keep the panel surface clean to ensure that it's waterproof, dustproof, oil-proof, chemical-proof, etc. What about maintenance during the storage? The film protecting the upper and lower surfaces of the membrane switch cannot be torn off at will. A large number of membrane switches need to be tied up and packed upright in a dry and well-ventilated place to prevent the buttons from failing due to long-term heavy pressure. The outlet wires of membrane switches must be protected. They cannot be placed downward. We should do everything right to maintain membrane switches, thereby increasing the service life of the overall equipment. JRPanel has many years of experience in membrane switch design. Welcome to contact us and place an order.